Hey, so hey, shout out to Charlotte. Hey, we done fumbled the bag about 2 weeks in a row. We back on it. 2 runs this week, 2 days worked, and we doing mighty fine, as at the right place at the right time. That's all.
Got DOT setting on the video.
All right. Hey, let me apologize, man. I didn't drop any videos before the end of the year. I had some in the chamber, but I didn't really like them, and unfortunately I came down with that Roni Rone, so I'm kind of recouping. But I'm good though. But I don't feel like doing nothing. I'm just chilling. Well, oh man, your boy getting his appetite back. Fat boy coming back, man. Come on now. Spot in East Brunswick. Mediterranean spot, man. Quality food, man. Woo! Can't wait to eat this. I ain't even gonna be able to finish it, but I'm going to enjoy whatever I can eat of it. Your boy's on his way back. Come on. I'm not the disinfecting guy, but I might have mentioned it in another clip, but your boy was down with the COVID in the truck, okay? The C19, man. So I had spent about a weekend here with it. I'm going out this week, and I gotta disinfect the truck, man. I should have looked up how long it lasts, but I'd rather clean it anyway. You feel me, baby? We here. Thank the Most High, we here. I made it through. Got some fam. They a little sick, but we making it through, man. It's crazy. I'm gonna get into it more. We're gonna talk about being in the truck with this joint. We're gonna talk about just simply knowing when to get help. All right, let's go. Yeah. So, right when I had got the virus, the CDC changed the quarantine days to 5. I was under a load for 2.5 days. Sat in the truck for another 2.5 days, maybe 3. Realized I wasn't getting no better. Like driving, it was like driving in the sky on a boat. I was just in the clouds, felt drunk. So I had to park the truck, dropped the trailer, and took it down. Luckily for me, the quarantine time was darn near done. So, but I had a fever that whole time. Had a fever 5 more days. I told myself I got to get out this truck. I went to go get help on the 10th day, and found out I had pneumonia. But they let me go because they said I was healthy enough to go home and do these things. Low cost operation is very important in these times. Staying on top of your bills is very important in these times. Please take heed to what I'm saying, man. Get help right away. Even if it's mild, just go get checked out. Because it's like it'll take over you and it'll be too late. You know what I'm saying? But I got more videos coming. This is just a short one. And go figure, the first trip out and I'm in a snowstorm. Hey, North Carolina, 85.